I hurt my back. Can you grab one of those for me? The rainbow one.
These?
Yeah.
Did you really just fart?
What?
Do you really need these?
Yeah. What happened?
Did you really just fart? No.
Yeah. You can actually have those.
Did you get it? No, she's still using it. She told me as soon as she...